Hello, my name is George Papazov. I'm the owner, founder, and head trader at TradeProAcademy.com. I started my career in 2001 when my father had inspired me to start trading currencies at a fairly young age. In 2009, I worked in one of the big banks in Canada as a trader, and I was on the desk when I got a lot of phone calls from clients that lost a lot of money. Leading up to the market crash, there were a lot of signs that it was going to happen. I had a blog, and it was my journey and mission to educate others on this event. However, when it did finally happen, I was stuck at the trading desk and I wasn't able to help these clients or do anything about it. In 2012, I decided to finally put my passion into my business, and I started TradePro Academy with the goal and the mission to help independent traders have a chance to live a freedom-based lifestyle through trading. I believe that any individual who's willing to put in the work and has the desire and passion to work for themselves could achieve a great level of success through trading. One challenge that I personally had with my business, and I find a lot of entrepreneurs have, is they make a great product, they work really hard, and they're very knowledgeable in their area of focus. They have the expertise. However, when it comes time to communicating that with the clients, it starts to become a challenge. And my specific challenge was having a brand, having an identity, and having a logo that matched that. And this is where I contacted George Venchev and the Brama Design team to get some help to craft a logo that reflected our values and what we try to do and accomplish here at TradePro Academy. Working with Brama Design was a phenomenal experience. It started at the very beginning when George and I sat down and we discussed the company culture, the values, and what TradePro Academy really represented. I think that was very important to start there. We didn't even talk about the logo at first. It was just an open and honest discussion about our values, our mission, and how we portray ourselves or how we see ourselves. From there, George and I started to discuss what a logo would look like to reflect our brand identity and our company values and to communicate that to clients. And I think that's where the process was different from any other designers and companies that we've worked with, is starting out with the company in mind, starting out with what do you represent as a business, what do you believe in, and how do we communicate that to your clients in a way that they understand. It's a very intricate process. My business, my team was in contact with Brama Design throughout the whole process. We constantly gave in feedback. It was a very collaborative process. It wasn't just an email to say, hey, I need a logo, and then an email back, how does this look? It was a discussion. We crafted the logo together in collaboration and in partnership. And I think that's where the real opportunity is for business owners, to work with a design studio that understands you so they can actually go out there and show that to the world. I would strongly recommend Brama Design to you and your team as an entrepreneur if you're having the same challenges and issues with your identity. Your product could be great, your mission could be awesome, but if you're not communicating it properly, your client won't understand those values. And I think that's very important. From the very moment the client looks at your logo or your identity, they're making perceptions and judgments based on that. And I think it has to align with what your goals and strategy is as a business owner. So I would definitely recommend Brama Design, as they did a phenomenal job with working with me to get that final product. I want to say thank you to George and the entire team at Brama Design Studios for helping us create our logo, create identity in our brand. Our clients love it, and I couldn't be happier with it. I just want to say thanks a lot, and I really look forward to working with you guys again in the near future and take this to the next level.